Hello students, today let us discuss our next chapter, that is chapter number 2, our body. So as you can see the very first line on your textbook, that the human body has many organs. So what does this mean? That means human body has so many organs. Our human body is made up of different kinds of organs. Now you may have question in your mind that what is an organ? An organ is a body part which does a specific function. So a organ is a body part which does a specific function. Different organs of the body perform different kinds of function. So various organs of the body makes an organ system. So at first we have read about organ. Next we have to go through organ systems. What is an organ system? The group of organs makes an organ system that perform one specific functions of the body. An organ system perform one specific function of the body, whereas different organs perform different functions in our body. We may have many organ systems in our body. Each of them helps us in a special way. For example, the bones in our body makes up the skeletal system. So who makes the skeletal system of our body? That means the bones. That is the bones which are responsible for the formation of the skeletal system. Without the skeletal system, we would not be able to stand, walk, run, jump, dance, and various other activities. Now let us move into the next topic, that is the important system inside our body. There are so many systems inside our body. Our body is a complex machine. What kind of machine is it? It is a complex machine. Many systems work together to keep us healthy. The bones makes up the skeletal system. As I have discussed, that who makes up the skeletal system? That is the bones makes up the skeletal system. And the muscles make up the muscular system. Again you may form a question that who makes our muscular system? That is the muscles makes the muscular system. Both of these systems work together to help us move. Without the combination of the muscular system and the skeletal system, we could not be able to move. Next is our digestive system. Digestive system works to break down the food we eat. What is the function of our digestive system? Digestive system helps to break down the food we eat. Whatever the things we eat, that is digested by our digestive system. Next we have our circulatory system. It enables blood to reach all parts of the body. Can you name the system who helps or who enables blood to reach all parts of the body? The answer which you have to write down, that is the circulatory system enables blood to reach all parts of the body. Without the help of our circulatory system, blood could not reach all parts of the body. Next we have the nervous system. It helps us to feel, see, taste, smell and hear things. So nervous system is related to the function of our sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. I hope all of you know the names of those sense organs and the functions related to those sense organ. So all of them are collectively belongs to the nervous system. Without the nervous system, our sense organs could not perform as well they are functioning. Next, the respiratory system helps us to breathe. Who helps us to breathe? That is, our respiratory system helps us to breathe. Now let us go to the next page. As you can see, next we have our skeletal system. Please look into the picture nicely. Many of you may think that this is a booth, but this is not a booth. This is our skeletal system. If you have such kind of concept in your brain that booth exists, I will tell you that this type of concept does not exist. Please don't keep it in your mind. That is all about skeletal system. So skeletal system or the skeleton is a structure of bones. What are they? They are the structures of bones that supports our body. That supports our body. Who supports our body? That is the skeletal system. Next, we will look into the functions of our skeletal system. It gives our body a definite shape and protects the soft organs inside the body. So basically, we have gone through two functions which are performed by our skeletal system. The first one is that the skeletal system gives a definite shape to our body. Without the skeletal system, we could not have a definite shape what we have right now. And the second function is that it protects the soft organs inside our body. Can you name some soft organs which are present in our body? If you can't, then let me tell you that those are heart, kidney, lungs, etc. So those are called the soft organs. Then who helps to protect these soft organs? Our skeletal system helps to protect heart, kidney, lungs, pancreas, etc. I hope the functions of our skeletal systems are clear to you. At first, you have to go through the definition of the skeletal system or what is skeletal system. Next, you have to learn about the functions of skeletal system. I will ask you to practice these diagrams. Next, we have our muscular system. The skeleton of our body is covered by muscles. So, as you can understand from the sentence that our skeleton which is present all over the body is covered by muscles. At the same time, look into the picture. The muscle in our body forms the muscular system. Who forms the muscular system? That is the muscles who forms the muscular system. The bones in our body cannot move on their own. The bones move when they are pulled by the muscles attached to them. Bones and muscles together allow us to walk, run, jump, and move other parts of the body. So today I have discussed the beginning of this chapter and the two systems. Those are skeletal system and muscular system. Again, in our next video, I will discuss the remaining systems. Thank you.